How to delete old messages on Samsung Messages app. So if you have hundreds or thousands of messages in your Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to delete all the old messages, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete old messages on Samsung Messages app, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung Messages app on your phone. Click on the three dots at the top right. Locate and click on Settings. Once you selected Settings, the next thing you want to do is scroll down, locate More Settings and click on that. Under More Settings, scroll down, locate Delete Old Messages. Delete your oldest messages to make room for new ones after you reach 1000 text messages, 100 multimedia and 5000 chats. Turn this on and then you're good. Now the essence of this is once your SMS reaches 1000 different messages and you have about 100 MMS and 5000 RCS chats on your Samsung, this is going to delete the older message while leaving the new messages for spaces. So once turned on, delete old messages, then you are good. So that is basically how to delete old messages on Samsung Galaxy phone automatically. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.